Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure both you and participants run iOS 18 and the app supports SharePlay. Open FaceTime and start a call with the people you want to share with. Once the call is live, tap SharePlay or Share Content inside the FaceTime controls to start the session. This connects app playback to the group so everyone can watch or listen in sync. Because playback is proxied through Apple's services, latency and controls stay consistent for all participants. Next, pick the app or media you want to share and tap the SharePlay option inside that app or via the share sheet. You control playback, play, pause, scrub, and you can pass host permissions so someone else can manage the timeline. Once content begins, you can use picture-in-picture or switch to another app while the media stays synced for everyone. Because SharePlay streams the same timeline to all devices, this avoids drift and ensures reactions and commentary line up across the group. To finish, stop SharePlay from the FaceTime controls or end sharing inside the app. This returns playback control to each participant. If you hit sync glitches, make sure everyone rejoins the FaceTime call and restarts the shared app. This often reestablishes the group timeline. Also check network quality. Switch to a reliable Wi-Fi, temporarily disable VPN, and confirm iOS 18 is fully updated. If problems persist, have one participant initiate a fresh SharePlay session, so a new host negotiates the stream and permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.